Pating Reviews presents Philips 242E1GSJ 24-inch gaming monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. This is a great monitor for the price. When I bought the monitor, it was roughly around $100, and for the price, you can't get better than this. The size is great, the price is great, the response time on this monitor is great, the color is great, and really, I have nothing negative to say about this monitor. I love the three-sided frameless border. It was great to have two of these on my desk, and with the little footprint of a stand, they fit perfectly in a minimalist kind of look. I love the look of these monitors and the performance, and at a budget price, they are great. Definitely recommend that you check them out. Here's a bit more information about this monitor. Screen size 24 inches, resolution FHD 1080p, display technology LED, brand Philips computer monitors, series 242E1GSJ, Philips E-line 24-inch, 23.8-inch viewable LCD monitor with full HD 1920 by 1080 and VA panel for wide viewing angles and accurate color production for an immersive experience. Immersive visuals. Experience crisp details, incredible contrast with rich black details, and 125.9% sRGB, 96.1% NTSC color gamut for true-to-life picture with ultra-wide color technology. Smooth gameplay, 4 millisecond response time, 144Hz refresh rate, and AMD FreeSync Premium technology provides fluid, artifact-free gaming performance. Seamless setup, three-sided frameless design with ultra-narrow borders allow for minimal distractions and optimal multi-monitor setup. Multiple outputs, HDMI, DisplayPort, and audio out connectivity. Wall mountable. Monitor is Vesa Compatible for more mounting options via third-party monitor arms. Designed for your well-being. Low blue and easy read modes for easy on the eyes productivity and reading experience. Flicker-free technology to reduce eye fatigue. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.